So today, let's take away Steven's blankie. James! 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 Yeah! Boy! What's up, guys? Welcome to another Take Steven's blankie away. Is that? No? Mess with Steven. Legalized abuse is what I like to call it, but hey, whatever. So, today we have some rules and a song from our good friend Clint Faulkner. Go check out his drone album, it's amazing. It will throw you off your socks. All I can say is that though these rules are very simple, they can also be very challenging at a point, and I really feel like Steven's gonna hate his life. So that's just made my day. Last time I didn't really feel good about the amount of creativity I output. I don't know, I feel like afterwards I was like, oh, all these ideas started flowing, which I think is the point of that whole exercise. It is, but it's, yeah, anyways. Yeah, last time, what I can say is last time we challenged him on using different parts of the kit. This time he's going to be pushed mentally, musically. You're gonna have to count a lot in your head, I think. Good. Yes, lots of. Alright, so let's do this thing.
Okay, Steven, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Fantastic. So, as I explained, these rules are going to be fun musically wise. This is all from Clint, and yeah, we're going to have ourselves a bit of a fun time. Are you ready to hear the first rule? Okay, that's very nice. That's very good. Simple, quick, and easy one. I'm just going to let you know, you can use your ghost notes and stuff in this one. I thought I'd give you that, at least, because yeah, these are fun. The first one, very simple, very easy. You cannot end your fills on one. Now, Clint didn't specifically give any more detail on that. He just said you cannot end them on one. So I'm going to allow you to end them maybe after one or before one, but you cannot end them on the one.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so let's see how this rule goes.
Alright, okay, yeah.
Yeah, so I heard one or two fun little ones you had there. We're gonna have to see if you can maybe fix that. But it's gonna start again.
Okay, second take, I guess.
So, okay, so I wasn't actually recording what I just said there, so I need to say it again. Yeah, so how did you enjoy that?
Dude, I actually enjoyed that. That was good, man. Yeah.
I'm going to have a word with Clint because you're supposed to be in a lot of pain. And
No, that was a lot of fun, man. Especially the that like we ending on that.
yeah.
Yeah, it was my favorite.
Okay, well, the second one's actually a pretty easy rule. The last two are quite doozies. So I'm just going to set up the next session.